Everyone's heard the term disruption. It's been a popular buzzword for years. But do we really know what it means? Disruption means AI driving you to work and your family to the movies. It means blockchain technology transforming everything we think and know about our money, our identity, and our security. It means VR and AR helping you shape your own reality to be whatever you want it to be. Disruption means science fiction is becoming a fact. But what's the one thing all of these examples have in common? The answer is data. You see, data is at the heart of everything we do. Data is the past we look at to understand the present and predict the future. That's why data scientists are in huge demand and are playing a gigantic part in shaping our world. And the truth is, anyone can learn to harness the power of data. And that's who this book is written for. The student, the expert, or the casual enthusiast. Anybody who wants to know how to confidently master data. So do you want to be unafraid of the tools, datasets, and algorithms? Are you looking to work for one of the top tech companies? Or maybe to play a major part in the next disruptive technology? This book will show you how. There are more than 10 billion connected devices all over the world, each one transmitting data non-stop. Data is power that's waiting to be harnessed. Look around for a second. The future isn't just coming, it's already here. And the question is, are you ready to confidently face it?